Welcome everyone to this course on understanding the 1031 exchange. My name is Mia Le and I am thrilled to have you here. If you are a real estate investor looking to save thousands on capital gain tax through a 1031 exchange, you are in the right place. This course is designed for real estate investors and professionals who have limited or no knowledge about 1031 exchanges. We are going to dive into the basics and explore the what and why, setting a strong foundation for more advanced topics. Our main goal in this course is to provide you with a fundamental understanding of what a 1031 exchange is and why it's such a powerful tool in real estate investment. By the end of this course, you will have a clear grasp of what a 1031 exchange is and its importance in real estate investing, the rules and regulation that woven 1031 exchanges, the key rules, the benefits and potential pitfall of a 1031 exchange, the role of a qualified intermediary in the process. I am Mil Ale, an enrolled agent with over 15 years of experience in helping real estate investors navigate tax deferral strategies. As a real estate investor myself, I understand the challenges and opportunities you face, and I'm here to share my knowledge and experience to help you succeed. Throughout this course, my goal is to build your confidence and your knowledge about 1031 exchanges. This is a fundamental course, so we will focus on the what and why, preparing you for more advanced courses where we will cover the how-to aspect in more details. Now let's talk about our learning objectives and outcome and benefits. By participating in this course, you will gain an understanding of 1031 exchanges and their role in real estate investing, awareness of the key benefits, rules, and potential pitfalls associated with 1031 exchanges, the knowledge to identify opportunity where 1031 exchange can be beneficial. This course is designed to provide you with the foundational knowledge you need to start thinking strategically about 1031 exchanges and how they can benefit your investment strategy. Thank you for joining me in this journey. I am so excited to share this valuable information with you and help you take the first step toward mastering 1031 exchanges. Let's get started.